Let's walk through my Photoshop workflow step by step. The first thing I like to start with is blemish removal. This is where I take care of small distractions like pimples, scars, or dust spots using tools like the healing brush or clone stamp. The goal here isn't to erase character, but to clean up the image so the focus stays on the subject, not the imperfections. Once that's done, I move into frequency separation. This is a more advanced technique that lets me separate the fine details like skin texture from the underlying colors and tones. By splitting them apart, I can smooth uneven patches without losing the natural pores and detail in the skin. It's perfect for evening things out while keeping the image realistic. After that, I'll paint in color to even tones. Think of this as a way to gently balance blotchy areas of skin. Using a low opacity brush, I paint sampled colors over uneven zones so the skin looks more consistent. This is subtle work, but it makes a big difference in creating a polished, final image. Next comes dodge and burn. Here I'm playing with light and shadow to sculpt the face and bring depth back into the photo. Dodging brightens areas like the high points of the cheeks, while burning darkens areas like the jawline or hairline. This technique not only enhances features, but also adds a sense of dimension that feels cinematic and intentional. Finally, I finish with color grading. This is where I set the mood. I'll adjust the overall tones, shift colors slightly warmer or cooler, and bring in a style that matches the story I want the image to tell. Whether that's a warm golden glow or a moody, desaturated vibe, color grading ties everything together. By moving through these steps in this order, cleaning up distractions, refining texture, balancing tones, shaping light, and finally setting the mood, I'm able to transform a photo into something polished, professional, and still natural. And that's the full breakdown of my editing process, from cleaning up blemishes, to balancing tones, to shaping light, and adding that final color grade. But that's just one part of what you'll find here on the channel. I also share behind-the-scenes photo shoots where you can see how I work on set, gear breakdowns that explain why I choose certain cameras and lenses, and creative experiments that show the fun side of photography. My goal is to give you a well-rounded look into both the technical and artistic side of creating images. If you're new here, welcome. I'm excited to have you along for the journey. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. Whether it's more editing tutorials, lighting setups, or even behind the scenes from a creative concept shoot, your input helps shape the direction of this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.